Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial, another Canva tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this design, the Burger Hut flyer design. Okay, I know you might be wondering how did you do this with Photoshop? Yeah, I only used Canva for every single thing. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Now, first thing I want you to note is that the size I used for this was a 3000 by 3800. It's a custom size just in case you're looking for it and you're not seeing it. So now this is our background color. It's red. Okay, I love how you can just go over and then type in the color you want, and Canva would provide a lot of options for you to select from. Now that's amazing. So many type of red colors here. I'm going to cancel that. Now we know how we got our background color. And then the next thing I want to do is add a font. I'm going to start with Burger Hut. Now the font I use for this particular um, text is for this particular font is Montserrat. So it's a Montserrat. I hope I got the pronunciation well. Montserrat regular, and then we made it bold. And the font size is 330. If you're using a different dimension, it might be a different dimension, it might be different, it might be lesser or higher. And then we reduce the letter spacing to a minus 89. There we have our burger. Change the color to white. Montserrat. I think it's medium. Trying to see. I think it's this. Yes, definitely medium. So we have burger, and I'm going to duplicate this and add our hot. So one thing I did is I made sure just to give it that unique feeling. So you can see. So yes, burger, hot, we got that. The next thing I did was to add a burger element, a burger graphic. I got it from Canva. As you can see, this is it. This is the one I used. Placed it somewhere here. And then our next text was home of the best burger. Home of the best burger. And we used Montserrat's bold for this. And the font size for this was 69. Change the color to yellow. Change this to white. So we have our burger hut, some of the best burger. And the next thing I did, I hope I got the red correct. Yeah, it's it. So go back to our image and apply the burger image that we used. And this is the one I used. The one I want you to note is I actually edited this image. Go back to edit, click on adjust, and increase the brightness to, I think the brightness to 10. Come over to the sharpness, increase it to 50. And then the clarity was increased to 82, 82 to give it a different look. Okay, so now we have our burger image edited. I'm going to duplicate it and bring it here. I'm waiting for the image to pop up here. And the next thing I want to do is to apply our burger, the text. Bring it down, change the color to red, and then apply this shape. Change this to white. So we have our burgers here. Okay. The next thing I did, so I'm just going to bring that one from here because we do not have that much time. I'm going to copy this and then paste it here to save us more time. And I'm going to explain how I did that. Okay. So there are four types of burgers that was used in this that we used for this. Okay. I'm going to show you how. Copy this and then bring it down here. We don't need to spend a lot of time doing all that. Drag this up. So I selected the frame. So I selected the frame, go over to elements, and then come over to where you have frame. So this was the particular frame I used, and then I applied the stroke weight and then changed it to yellow and placed all the burger images: cheeseburger, turkey burger, veggie burger, and chicken burger to it. So that was how I was able to achieve this. Okay, I don't want to make this tutorial any more longer than it needs to be, so that's why I just quickly copied it and then pasted it. Take this up a bit. Take this up a bit. Yep. Okay. Then we added this right here. I actually love how this white shape made it look. It looked really, really, really nice. I'm gonna take this up into big. Bring this down a bit. Down a bit, just down a bit. So you saw I was able to edit the image. You saw I was able to make this text look unique, and then our burgers and the type of burgers. So this shouldn't be strange to you. So burger here, and then went over to elements and searched for drop shadow. We use drop shadow for this, so this is the one we used. I'm gonna bring it down here. Take the position all to the back, and then duplicate it and bring it here also. And take it all the way to the back, and then we apply the shape over here. Take it to the back, duplicate the shape, bring it over here, take it to the back, and then duplicate it again, bring it here. And this probably needs to come down just a bit. Take this to the back, do the same thing, take it to the back. So we have everything intact. Then the next thing I did was to go over to elements and search for burger pattern, and this is the particular one I used. Bring it here, take it all the way to the back and reduce the transparency so it doesn't affect the main elements of the design, but it's actually there. And when we're done with all of this, the next thing I did was to just um, apply this text to the order now and visit our website. We're just going to copy it and paste it, bring it down. And as simple as that, that's how I was able to achieve this design with Canva. Every single thing here was done with Canva, no addition, no subtraction, if that's even a correct way to describe it. So see, I was able to align the B and the H to make it look different and unique and apply all the buggers. So yes, it's as simple as that. If you want to give it a try, maybe with another product, yeah, you can go ahead and just let me know if you want me to make any correction. But this is it, and I hope you enjoy it. So see you in the next tutorial.